This is our 2019 Impala we just bought. It's a Chevy. What else? This is basically why not to buy one. This thing's brand new. And as you can see, it looks pretty used. We got windshield wiper blades. Like, who uses those on a brand new Impala? You hear that? That means it's not lubed properly. Geez, Chevy. It doesn't even have the front going camera. Steering wheel doesn't lock when you turn it off. Look at this. Look, all the engine, stop. All the engine lights turn on. Look at that when you turn this thing on. The radio doesn't work. Turn it up. All buttons, nothing. So we open the glove box. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. They come with broken door handles now and a dent. This is a 2019 Impala, people. The gas thing works. That's the only nice thing about this stupid car. We got no license plates. They don't even have the dealer license plates on there. And they give you a dirty trunk. There's even hand warmers back there. I mean, that's okay, but still. We got, hubcap, okay. Yeah. But the other one doesn't. Yeah. What's a no? Oh my gosh.
What the?
Again. Not lubed properly. And, let's pop the trunk and see what else we find. Probably not as good as that dual inline 5 over there. Oh, what we got here? Yeah. Alright. So this is a 3400 SF1 motor here. It says run 10W30. This also has a K&M air filter like our GMC Sierra or Silverado, whatever. It's just a slow car, like, axe? There's axe in this. Oh, that's for lubing the timing belt. Yeah. Battery looks pretty rusty. Overall, these cars are just kind of, I'm not bashing Chevy, but these Impalas, they're just crap. Foggy headlights. Oh, jeez! It sometimes randomly honks, too. Oh, jeez. You hear that? This thing is a crap motor compared to this dual inline 5 4-banger. Like, this thing is class. What else? Hear that? The motor moves when you rev it. Oh, my word. I'm just saying, this thing's pretty crap. We got this color on the one side, and then look at the other side. They tried to color match. This is silver, people. Oh, I'm not feeling it on these Impalas. It has manual seats. Who lazy butts even use that? Oh. And it has a Mustang decal. I'm telling you, people, this thing freaking sucks. Yeah, well, basically the moral of this is don't buy a crappy Impala.
Yeah.
If you're gonna buy something, don't buy a Ford.
Yeah.
And then you should be good. Buy one of these.